Tesla Incorporated clients who held up in line in March 2016 to put stores for the primary Model 3s should be persistent much longer after conveyance dates for some reservation holders have slipped once more. A few would-be drivers said they got messages from the electric auto creator on Wednesday night, after the organization announced its final quarter profit, saying their normal conveyance dates had been pushed back. Sometime or another, one reservation holders are presently observing late 2018 for the $35,000 Model 3 with the standard battery pack, while other people who set requests the next day have announced their date is currently mid-2019. As we endeavor to take care of demand, we needed to tell you that your evaluated conveyance timing has been acclimated to a marginally later window. Much obliged to you for your understanding. The new date relies upon when the reservation was set and what demonstrate was requested. Tesla is making the more costly Model 3s with a long-run battery first. That is an extreme pill to swallow for cost-cognizant drivers who requested the least expensive adaptation, keeping in mind the desire of meeting all requirements for the full $7,500 government-assessed credit. That credit starts to eliminate once U.S. automakers hit 200,000 autos sold in the U.S., which Tesla is relied upon to reach at some point this year. CEO Elon Musk said on the Income Call Wednesday that Tesla stays on track to meet its objective to manufacture 5,000 Model 3 cars every week before the finish of June, an objective that has been postponed a few times. Musk, additionally head of Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, consoled Wall Street that on the off chance that we can send a roadster to the space rock belt, we can most likely tackle Model 3 generation. Be that as it may, shoppers aren't so certain. My awful at Tesla Model 3 news at last came, companions. My gauge in my Tesla got refreshed and it's bad in case you're needing the standard battery or all-wheel drive. I'm in the last camp, Ryan McCaffrey, a Model 3 reservation holder, composed on Twitter. Exceptionally feel it out right now, as this has genuine duty credit suggestions.